Canada's wild beauty, endless forests, lakes and untouched nature. Canada isn't just big, it's breathtakingly wild. 1. Endless forests, vast green landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. 2. Crystal lakes, places like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake with unreal blue water. 3. Towering mountains. The Rockies deliver dramatic, postcard-perfect views. 4. Wildlife everywhere, bears, moose, and eagles in their natural habitat. 5. Pure, untouched nature. Quiet, raw beauty that feels far from the modern world.